Let's quickly write the C++ logic for the same intersection of two arrays using binary searching technique. So here what I have done is I have defined the class and I have added the function declaration as well, in which we will be writing the solution for our problem. Along with that, previously whatever the binary searching algorithm that we have implemented, I have copied and added in this file as well. Okay, now here as part of the first step, what I want to do is whatever the array2 that we have got, I want to sort it. So for sorting, let's just simply use the sort function, and for that sort function let's just pass array2 dot begin and array2 dot end. Okay, so this will basically sort the second array in the ascending order so that we can simply apply the binary searching technique very easily on it. Now, to store all the common or intersection values between these two arrays, let's just create one set data structure, because even if the intersection values are available multiple number of times, we need to return it only once. That's the reason why I'm going to use a set data structure for storing the intersection values. So here let's just define the object of set and let's just name it as result. Now what I want to do is I want to iterate over the first array, and while iterating each and every value at each and every index, we will check if it is there in the second array which is sorted using binary searching technique. So here let I, it's not let, it's int I is equal to 0, I less than array1 dot size, and in each and every step I want to move on to the next index, that's why I plus plus. Now here let's just call this dot binary search of, we need to search it in the second array, that's why we have sorted the second array also in the ascending order, and our binary searching technique will also work only in the ascending order sorted array. That is the reason for sorting the second array in the ascending order. So here first argument is array2 and the second one is what is the value that we want to search in the array2. That is nothing but from array1 whatever the value we have at ith index. Okay, and this binary searching function will basically check if that value is available. If it is available, it will return that particular index at which that value is available. If it is not available, it will return -1. So whatever the result that we are getting from this binary searching, let's store it in some variable. Now if at all this index that I am getting is greater than or equal to 0, then only it is a valid index. -1 or whatever the value that you might be returning, if it is not available, basically -1 is not available, right? So if the value is not available, what we will do, whatever the set that we are maintaining in the result, let's just result set dot, what is the function name, insert whatever the value, that is nothing but array1 of I. Okay, so that is the simplest implementation. I have sorted the second array so that I can apply the binary searching on it, and I'm iterating over array1 and I'm checking the value from array1 is available in array2. If it is available, I'm adding that value into result set because it is common or intersection value between these two arrays. Okay, in the end let's just return whatever the result that we are maintaining. Okay, very simple implementation of finding the intersection values between these two arrays. Okay, anyway, I have written the code for calling that function as well as printing the result that we get here too, and I have passed some array1 values and array2 values as well. So if you look at here, array1 has 3 and array2 also has 3, so it is a common value, so we will add it onto our set. Now 3 is available even second time also. Since we already have 3 in the result set, even if we add that 3 again, it will only be available once in the set data structure. So we are in that way, if the intersection values are available or appearing multiple number of times, we are removing the duplicates. Okay, so that is something that you need to notice here. And the 4 is also available in both arrays and it is available only once, so 4 will also get added onto the result set. So technically the intersection result will be 3, 4. So if I run this now, that is the output that I am expecting, and that is what we have printed on the console. For example, let's just make this 4 into 14. So the common values are only 3 only. 3 is appearing multiple number of times, but we need to return only once. So output should be 3 only. That is what we have got. Let's just say I'm making this as -3 and this also -3. So between these two arrays there are no common values, so it should not print anything. Basically empty set will be the output. So here I have got some error, vector of int array2, no template named vector. Let's make it -3 and -3. Not sure why exactly we have got that error. So if I run this now, see, we have printed a empty list. Not exactly sure why we have got the error, and we have already imported the vector as well. So I am guessing by mistakenly I might have run some other command here. So let's not worry about that. Anyway, if we run this once again, we are seeing a empty list as well. Okay, so anyway, that is what we are expecting to. If I make this 1 is available in both arrays, so output should be 1. Okay, 1 is what we have got on the console. Okay, so whatever the logic that we have written for finding the intersection of two arrays using binary searching technique is working absolutely fine. Okay, moreover, one more thing that I want to mention is this problem can also be solved using map data structure. If at all, if you want to check out the solution and algorithm and the respective visualization, please go visit the link that is there in the description box on codingpal.org, and you can find the same there as well. Okay, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next problem.